Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at on how to point your domain name through Cloudflare to your web hosting. In this case, we are using a GeoPeeker service, and we will be seeing the results when the domain is pointed to our IP address successfully, or if the page is loading with the new IP address or not. So let's start. So once you have added your domain into Cloudflare, simply click on the domain name, and you will see a page like this here saying your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. So we're going to go to DNS Records. And for now, I have just set it up like two records here. One of them is the main record that is actually pointing the domain into this specific IP address, but I'm not using the proc side feature because it was causing issues with the Google bot. So for now, I have turned this off. But if you are starting from scratch, you will simply see nothing here, or your default pointed IP addresses through your hosting, like the long list of those IP addresses. But if you're from starting from scratch, you need to add a record. Click on a record, and A is for the domain is pointed to the specific IP address. A and this @ to IPv address. Right here, you're gonna paste your hosting IP address and check this off. The reason is simple. If you have the caching issues, you have your browser issues, you can view in the incognito window. But for testing purposes, you just need to turn this off and simply click on save button here. Your domain will be successfully pointed to the new hosting IP address. So we can say your domain will be live within a few minutes instead of pointing that domain with DNS servers. So that's how you point. Another record you need to add is click on add record. Super simple. Go to CNAME and add the www version of your website as well here. And you're going to target this proxy status should be turned off just to test things out at first place, and target our domain name here. Simply type the domain name and click on save here, right. So your CNAME record and your A record will be successfully pointed to your web hosting in that case. If you're worried more about the SSL, the security, the cache configuration, just comment down below. I will make a specific video on that topic as well. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, please sub to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.